Hello everyone. Today I'm going from Moscow to my native city Cherepavets, and I'm going there for a few days, so I invite you to be my online guests. I will show you the features of our city, explain you a little bit about culture, traditions, maybe about history. Will show you my favorite place, show my friends, my home. So I hope you enjoy it. And now we are going to the train station to take the train to Cherepavets. I'm holding this suitcase, that's why it's a little bit hard, and it will take me about 1 hour to get to the train station and then 8 hours by train to my city. I will show you the train as well so you can feel the trip completely. So we need to get to площадь трех вокзалов. I need Yaroslavsky вокзал. It's important to put the card in the card validation. So yes, now I can go. It's paid. If I didn't pay, they would not let me go out. Первый этап пути на метро закончен. Сейчас мы идем на вокзал. So this place is called the Square of Three Railway Stations. Why? Because we have 3 railway stations here. I will show you. The first one is Kazansky вокзал, Kazansky railway station. This is Leningradsky railway station, and that one is Yaroslavsky railway station, where I'm going. Так выглядит вокзал внутри. Здесь можно найти ячейки камер хранения. Они разного размера есть, от супер больших до маленьких. И это терминалы, чтобы сдать в ячейку. Но это нам не нужно, мы идем на поезд. You know, guys, I'm a little bit stupid because sometimes I do the vlogs in Russian, sometimes in English. That's why sometimes I forget myself and start speaking Russian. This vlog I wanted to do in English. So, sometimes it will be in Russian with subtitles. Sorry for that. So, this is the schedule of the trains, and mine is going at 2020. So, this is my train, and I'm looking for my wagon. I have number 13, and usually people buy the tickets to the train online. We will go by this train. This is the line of people who wants to enter the train. So it's how the toilet look like. To be honest, it's really hard to film in the train because people can feel weird if I film them. So I'm trying to do it not that obvious, but it makes the quality of video bad. I'm sorry for that, but I'm just trying my best to show you the vibe of the train. I hope I will manage that. So that's how the toilet look like. And here is the flash. I will show you. And this is, you can wash your hands here, and it will be stopped by itself. Yeah, so you take with you the towel, the things to brush the teeth. Yeah. So it's not bad, you know. Показываю, как работает смыв. Все засосалось. So here we have two beds. This one can be transformed to the bed. And here it's for the luggage. And on the other side, we have 4 beds, 2 upstairs and 2 downstairs. Also there is a table, so you can enjoy the view. And here also for the luggage, and here you can put some small stuff next to you. And this one is holding you, protecting you from falling down. And like this we have, I don't know how many. Okay, so we finished our trip. Череповец, and we spent almost 12 hours, not 8 hours as I said before. But the trains are going according to the schedule, so it's okay. And now I will show you Череповец. This is the train station. Now we have some Indian people coming to Череповец. I think they get some working places in the factory. There is no available taxis. Can you imagine that? So you are ready to pay money and to go by the car, but there is no car. You can use only the public transport like buses or go by foot. I think we will choose the bus option. Before this building was a green color. Now they made it gray to make the city even more gray. But it's gray enough in the sky and everywhere. Like, you know, it's very cold. And yesterday we were in Sochi and it was like full sun, mountains with the snow, sea, clean water, like perfect. Here, rain, gray sky, and cold. We finally found a taxi. So this is my yard, the place where I was grown up. And this is my home. This is my window and my mama. I hope she cooked something tasty because I'm so hungry. This is a Russian подъезд. This is flats. This is for post. So they put letters there if somebody sent you. And this is my flat. Let's go. So let's go to my room. This is the pictures of my family. This is my room. Now my father is working here on the computer, but usually it's me who working and studying here. Let's see with the light. I have pictures with the hearts, with my friends, relatives, like that. Some plants. This is my map, scratch map, where I do scratching of the places where I have been. So now I will do Morocco because I just visited this. This is the map of Russia. This is the dead mouse, which my brother gave to me on one of my birthdays. This is the map of United States, and I put also the places here which I have visited during my trip to the United States and some pictures of memories from there, because it was my first trip on my own for work, so it was really memorable and meant a lot for me. This is my 1000 medals from my sport career. During many years I was collecting them. They are from different countries. For example, this one is, I think it's from the US. From Kuala Lumpur Marathon, from Sochi, where we have just been. So many medals. Most of them are for running, and some of them for like bodybuilding and powerlifting. This is championship something. I think it's bodybuilding. It's really a lot. And my drum set, I love it. It was my dream and my father gave it to me many years ago when I was playing in a band. Also I was playing in a band guitar. even more years before. And this is the piano which my mom plays. Me, I'm not playing piano, but she graduated music school on piano. This is still my presents from Morocco to my mom. She put it here. And this is some small souvenirs from different countries which I visited. The last one from Merzouga Desert, the sand. So this is the flat. Here, when you arrive, you can put your stuff. Here is just for something, for some half useless things. This is the room which we just seen. This is the room of my brother. This is the bathroom. Here is the bath. Beautiful dolphins, so you can feel like the ocean. Toilet. Yeah, like that. The room of my parents. Sorry that it's not, everything is not that tidying up, but that's life, you know. This is the balcony with ski, with bicycles, with some stuff, with the fur of the ship, and with the rain outside. Some of these trees we were planting by ourselves, and in spring it's very beautiful when they are flourishing and blooming. Yeah, it's wonderful. Now not that much, but you should come to Russia in summer, you will enjoy it more.
Salam alaikum.
This is the magnets from the countries that I have visited. So like that. And this is the postcards which I sent from different countries to my family.
I'm hungry.
Welcome to Cherry-Polets. I look not that pretty after the tray, but we will fix it. This is шарлотка.
Блин, ну дорогой подарок.
Russian пирожки.
А вы
With
будете чай-то пить?
cranberry
Только от
and
оружия.
honey cake.
Только от...
This is my cat, Сахар. He was born same day as me, but he's younger. How many years? Сколько ему лет?
12?
Ему 20?
А, так не 20, а 12. 12.
He is 12 years old, so he's a little bit younger, but the same date as me. We have the same day birthday. He broke his ear fighting with other cats.
I'm hungry.
Today is the very important day for my family because we have the birthday of my grandma. She has 85 years, so it will be anniversary for her. And I will show you how Russian babushkas are celebrating their birthdays. So we will go to the restaurant and I will show you everything. I even did the makeup today. After 1 month since I finished my work as a performer in Morocco, And today I feel that it was one of the reasons why I came back to Russia to visit this holiday of my family. So that's why it's really important. Since the morning we were preparing, we were creating some poems for her to congratulate her. We were dressing up, doing makeup, doing hair, and now we'll go to buy some flowers. So we also ordered a special cake for her. So I will show you everything. We came to the flower shop. This is the choice of flowers.
Нам нужно на день рождения бабушки на юбилей какой-нибудь букет. Конечно.
So we chose this one. So we bought the most beautiful flowers ever. I think it's amazing. And you know what? In Russia, we have this rule. You have to give uncountable amount of flowers. If you give countable, it's only for like for dead people, you know. For people who are alive, it should be uncountable. Beautiful, amazing, like the best part. I forgot to tell you, these flowers cost around 100 euro. I almost fell down in front of everyone with flowers and Louis Vuitton.
Еще не вечер, да, хороша. Всех друзей собрать готова наша бабушка душа.